Hello, I extend my warmest welcome to each and every viewers of my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you one of the most important topic about English grammar, that is active and passive voice. In this session you will learn one of the smart techniques of English grammar through which you can understand English grammar very easily and you can score good marks in your exams. So let's begin. To know that techniques, you are requested to watch this video fully and very attentively. So here I go. As you can see on your screen, these are the important parts of active and passive voice. In the right side you can see active passive. It means that whenever you change active into passive voice, I will become me, we will become us, he will become him, they will become them, she will become her, who will become whom. But it and you will remain same. Again, in the left side, whenever you change active into passive voice, and if the question is in present tense, then do, does will become is, am, are will become is, am, are being, has, have will become has, have been. If it is in the past tense, did will become was, were will become was, were being, had will become had been. And if the question is in future tense, you can change will shall into will be shall be, will shall have into will shall have been. So these are the important things which you should keep in mind before doing active and passive voice. Now we will do the questions practically by giving examples. So here is example. Aryan killed a tiger. Here Aryan is a subject, killed is a verb, a tiger is the object. Now you can change this into passive voice with the help of a formula. The formula is here. Subject will go to the last at number 4 and by will be added. Object will come to the number 1. Verb will be always remain in third form, so that's why it is in number 3. And verb is added by helping verb, which will remain in number 2. Helping verb are this. If you keep this diagram in your mind, then you can see you can do any kinds of active into passive voice very easily. So what will the answer? Answer will be a tiger was killed by Aryan. Here Aryan is a subject, so it gone to the last at number 4. A tiger is object, so it came to the first, and killed is a verb. So third form of verb of killed will be killed itself. And here we use helping verb as was because the sentence is given in a past tense. It means that the work is already done. So I hope you all understand up to some extent, but I will show you some more examples so that there will be no more any confusion about active and passive voice. So here is the examples. It is in a simple present tense. Children like sweets. So what will be the answer? Again use the same formula. So here children is subject, like is verb, sweets is object. So use again the same techniques. Subject will go at the last and add by. Here verb is like. So third form will be like. And helping verb will be are. Object will come at first. So in this way you have to do. I'll give you more examples. They are building a house. So what will the answer? A house is being built by them. Similarly, another example. He has killed a mosquito. So the answer will be a mosquito has been killed by him. Now we will see past tense questions. Police caught the thief. The answer will be the thief was caught by police. Next, an expert was training the dog. So the answer will be the dog was being trained by an expert. Next, the child had broken the pencil. The answer will be the pencil had been broken by the child. Now we will move to the future tense questions. I will read the book. The answer will be the book will be read by me. So in this way you can do the questions from present, past and future tense. And one more thing, if the modals are there in questions, then you have to use be. So I'll show you examples. He may meet you tomorrow. So here, may is modal. So the answer will be, you may be met by him tomorrow. Another example, you must punish him. Answer will be, he must be punished by you. Another example, I can do it. So the answer will be, it can be done by me. So in this way, you can do the active and passive voice. I have shown you some of the important questions about active and passive voice. You use that SMART techniques, so they will really help you to score good marks in your exam. So wish you all the best for your future.